My name is David Hibschman, and I am from Grand Rapids, Michigan. I love to hunt, camp, fish, spend a lot of time outdoors, as does my wife, which is why why I'm actually out here buying this for her for our anniversary. We are purchasing a Renegade Classic 45-foot sportsman model with the mudroom. The video that had Chuck demonstrating every feature of it was very much about why you guys do what you do. It didn't have anything to do with the sales pitch or presentation. It was showing what this particular model was and why it might be beneficial for somebody. And then after doing some follow-up, I sent in an inquiry to IWS just through the website. I got a call back from Mike Hurt, and I don't think I've ever been as impressed with somebody as a salesperson with anything I've ever bought. And I think that using even the term salesperson, which has sometimes a negative connotation, is not Mike. I mean, it was more like having a discussion with somebody about what's the right fit. So we've currently have an Airstream Classic. It's 33 foot long, which you'd think has plenty of room, and it's beautiful. But when you see the inside of one of these coaches and how much room there is, just a huge difference. All the storage space that's inside. But I think for us too, because we spend so much time outdoors, we wanted something where we've got the ability to hunt, fish, spend time not hooked up in an RV park somewhere. We have dogs. I think the mudroom's really good for that, and being able to put gear in the back, get things clean while we're traveling. It's an all-in-one package. Kind of feel like we can go anywhere within reason and do all the things we want to do. I also would tell you, one of the things we really were looking for was a coach that had towing capacity. And I didn't even know that there were coaches with the towing capacity that these have. Clean, professional facility. My dad, who came out here with me to help drive back, since we're headed all the way back to Michigan, we even commented about how nice the bathrooms were. So everything about it is just kind of a warm, it's a neat, warm environment, even to the point where we said there's almost a culture that you guys have at IWS that you don't see elsewhere. The closest dealer to us is about 5 hours away in Indianapolis, which obviously a lot closer than coming all the way out to Idaho, but, well, the experience was different. And leave it at that. I already told Mike we needed to come back out here to buy a stacker trailer, and that I was willing to drive all the way out here to get one instead of even looking somewhere else. So yes, we would, very happy with the IWS experience, maybe is what I'll call it. And anybody I talk to, I would send to IWS before going anywhere else.